Up until now, we were still putting the slide in and out by cranking it by hand. But the day had finally arrived. The motor was now in Corner Brook, and we were on our way to Marble RV to get it installed. We overnighted at a ski resort. Boy, would our grandson love some of these slopes. Thank you, Marble RV, for getting us in and out in the same morning. Okay, and this is Shannon, and we are working on the slide. Hopefully we'll be back on the road. Thanks to Keith, Shannon, and Ashley, they were able to figure out this vroom slide thing and get us back on the road. Thank goodness. We were able to do a little sightseeing before we left Corner Brook.